Discover the CON VARIO 4 with new design, powering up to 4 solder and rework tools simultaneously. The newly developed soldering iron enables tip changes in record time thanks to the patented tip and turn, convenient and safe. The ergonomic eye tool with separately replaceable heating element provides 20% improved soldering performance and has a complete range of soldering tips for every application. The rework tweezers are ideal for reworking SMD components. With the X-Tool Vario, desoldering PTH components is simple and effortless. The adjustable airflow of the hot air tool iTool Air S provides the required power for each soldering and rework task. All tools are fully compatible with the previous CON stations.